Hey, how can we be alloying brass? Which is this one here. Well, alloying is used to create, the alloying mechanics are used to create metals like brass. In this case, we have the crucible. So here we're also going to learn how to make a forge. What's this called? Forge? Well, forge, but the mod calls it charcoal forge or something like that, okay? Basically, we're going to grab andesite bricks, okay? And what we're going to do is surround the charcoal, okay? Let's fill this in. We right click with the fire starter, light it up, okay? We place charcoal here and put the crucible on top. The crucible now, what's going to happen is it's going to start heating up, or it should start heating up, okay? There it is. And it's going to reach a point where it's going to be like this one here, okay? That it's super yellow white plus plus, okay? This will keep working as long as there's charcoal. So now we need to add the materials to make brass, which is 88% copper and zinc, okay? We can see this has copper, right? Millibuckets of copper, which is what we need, and then zinc, which also has MB, okay? So how much was it? It was, right, 90% copper, eh? So then 9 and 1. Let's see if I just toss them in like this. Okay, the materials go directly in, right? So here it shows 1 zinc, which I think we already placed. Zinc. And now the rest will be copper, okay? So we need to put in 9 copper. As you can see there, the temperature is dropping and stabilizing with the other items. So all of this is now going to melt. We have, again, this zinc. And now all of this is going to combine. There it is. It's combining. We have a 1090 ratio. And basically what we do is grab an ingot mold. Okay, there I get 100 out of 100 MB. It says it's very hot. It says the contents have solidified. And this says 100 out of 100 MLB of brass. Okay, let's wait for it to cool down. And now that it's cooled, I can crouch down and right click. Here I have the brass ingot, okay? Which is still a bit hot. But here I have the brass ingot without any issues. And with this same system, we could make rose gold, weak blue steel, okay? Sterling silver, weak red steel, bronze, brass, black bronze, weak steel, and bismuth bronze, okay? So there you go. As long as we have, of course, charcoal here underneath. Remember, I'm almost out, and the materials. The $1,000,000 question, can I put this back in here? Yes, of course, obviously. Obviously, I can melt it down again, okay?